Note that disable or enable equal false does not mean it is read-only. For example, if I create a text box and give some text for default value, sample, by default, of course, you can interact, remove it, select it, copy by pressing Ctrl or Command C and paste. But if I disable that, which I mean if I set enabled equal false, allow me to do that. Now, actually, you cannot interact any with this text box. And even if I double click on this text box, and for example, on event, something like key down, key up, etc., even double click, let's say message box, something. And if I run the form and double click, nothing gonna happen. That's totally dead. You cannot interact while it's running at all, unless by coding. If you want to make it read-only, I re-enable text box. Allow me to check double click, is it working or not? Yes. Instead of that, I could change the property named locked. Also, this is available on some other input controls such as combo box. If I set true, now allow me to run the form. I can select it. I could copy. Of course, we don't have right click here, but Control C. And if I press Control V, it won't paste here, but it is inside of my clipboard. Just allow me to show you here. See, we have sample. So if you want to make it read-only, select your text box or something like combo box and change the property of lock to true. Allow me to make it false. Also, we have max length, which by default it is 0, meaning there is no limitation. But if I set as an example 5, allow me to remove the text and run the program. Now I could only type 5 characters, not more. So you could limit your entrance by max length. We have also something similar to this on the string variables, which I will mention in the future videos.